Hello and welcome with your look at what's moving the markets today. The US dollar has been firming in recent sessions, whereas up until recently, investors were selling the greenback to diversify against US risk. We now see investors coming back to the dollar given global concerns about the strength of worldwide economic recovery. Accompanying the dollar higher has been demand for U.S. Treasuries as yield on the 30-year long bond and benchmark 10-year remain under 4% and 3% respectively. U.S. Chairman Ben Bernanke's comments yesterday confirmed the market recovery concerns, and the markets dropped lower on his testimony. Let's take a look at how this impacted the Forex market. The Canadian dollar, which is attempting another run at the U.S. dollar, tried to break below the 50-day moving average and was well on its way as yesterday's price action touched 10.350, but quickly retraced its gain as the market impact of the U.S. Federal Chairman's words were felt. As risk appetite quickly subsided, the Japanese yen obviously gained strength as the yen has become the market's barometer for risk appetite. The yen clearly trending low since early May and trading well below its 50-day moving average, retraced Tuesday's losses with risk aversion stirred late into the U.S. session. Equity markets sold off. Thanks for watching and have a good day of trading.